Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Maria Angelica Arcalas, 39 years old. I live in Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm a single parent with a 21-year-old daughter. I'm a college level who studied Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I work in Qatar as a household service worker from February 2015 to January 2017. The type of the house is villa with 6 bedrooms, 7 toilets, 2 living rooms, 1 dining room, and 1 kitchen area. There are 4 persons living in the house, ages 39, 45, 70, and 75. I perform full housekeeping duties. I assist in kitchen works and cooking. I do grocery shopping and inventory supplies, foods, and cleaning materials. I accompany the elderly in their hospital visits and other errands. In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I work as a caregiver from August 2017 to December 2023 in 3 employers. My first patient is a 90-year-old male from August 2017 to August 2019. Unfortunately, he died. I perform oral suctioning, NTS, SPC dressing, and oxygen therapy. I monitored vital signs, blood pressure, body temperature, oxygen levels, and heart rate. I administered medications and feeding through GI tube. I also gave oral care, bed bathing, dressing, and every 2-hour change position. I records daily activities, daily progress, medications, and reports it to the doctor and family. My second patient is an 80-year-old female from September 2019 to November 2020 as a caregiver reliever. I monitored vital signs, blood pressure, oxygen level, heart rate, body temperature, and blood sugar. I administered medications and insulin injections. I assist in bathing, walking, exercising, and dressing. I do housekeeping duties in the elderly area only. I accompany the elderly in her hospital visits and other errands. My third patient is an 86-year-old female from November 2020 to December 2023. I monitored vital signs, blood pressure, body temperature, heart rate, oxygen levels, and blood sugar. I administered medications. I clean and dress the stoma area and manages the drainage in the stoma area. I've performed housekeeping duties in the elderly area only. I records daily activities, daily progress, and medications. I reports it to the doctor and families. I assist in walking, bathing, dressing. Thank you.